everyone. Today I'm going to be planting in this planter. I have actual two planters that I'm going to be planting in. They're I have a statue out front, so I'm going to put one on each side of the statue. For this project, what you need is a water can, gardening gloves, plants of your choice, a little garden shovel. It's a mini garden shovel, and potting mix. The first thing I'm going to do is water the plants so they're not dry and get all brittle. So when you take them out of the pot, the dirt don't go all over. It sticks together. Next, I'm going to add the potting mix. I do it in the grass, this way if any dirt gets in, it won't go in the cement, it'll actually go in the grass. And I'm only going to fill it, not all the way, until I get the plants in there. So I'm going to fill it to the height where this will stick up. This is going to be the center because it's the tallest. Then I'm going to have the little plants going around it. So I'll get it to the height, the dirt to the height right there. So it'll be right level to the edge of the top of the pot. Okay, so now I'm going to get the first plant and take it out of there. I'm going to, the roots are loosened, so that's good. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in the center. Next, I'm going to take the smaller plant and bring them out and get it to the height of the pot as well, which is perfect. Everything looks good. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it, then add the soil after. So the way these grow, I'm just going to put one on each side of the plant. And then add the dirt, the potting mix. I'm going to break the bottoms open, the roots, so they'll spread out. If you need to, then you could just put a little dirt at the bottom to prop them up more if you need to. just pat it in as you go along.